How to remove Facebook account in TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove Facebook account in TikTok. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up your TikTok. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then you can go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right profile option. And you should be on your profile. What you'll then need to do is you will see three lines on the top right corner. Tap on the three lines option. Then you'll find this open up. You'll need to head over to settings and privacy. So select settings and privacy. And right here you'll find your settings and privacy. You'll need to head over to the account section where you'll find privacy. Tap on privacy, the second option. And after you're here, you can see sync contacts and Facebook friends. So head over to that option. And inside here, just make sure to toggle this button off. Doing this, you'll have not basically removed your Facebook account, but unsync from the Facebook, so people from your Facebook will not be able to find you, or you won't be able to find the people from your Facebook. And it's that simple, and that's how you do it. That's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more.